We've just arrived in Kolkata and I cannot delay any longer the inspiration to create a 30 Days Abundance Attractor recording with a miracle frequency to significantly shift your attraction point. When such a strong inspiration comes, I know I must act on it as soon as I can, as it can change the lives of many. The inspired wording is complete, and I'm just waiting for the night when it gets quiet here in Kolkata. As you might hear, this recording has some noise, and hopefully at night I'm able to record the empowering wealth statements. This recording will contain high vibration, abundance affirming statements that are going to override the negative beliefs about wealth that you may hold. It will do so gradually within 30 days, during which you will start noticing your attraction point shift. Day by day, you will notice yourself attracting wealth manifestations until you reach the next level of existence, that of effortless abundance. The statements are general enough for your mind to fill in specific details of your personal abundance desires, which is something I haven't heard in other abundance recordings. Maybe that's the reason I got such a strong inspiration to create the recording that's going to fit your specific wealth desires. You see, when abundance recordings contain wealth statements that don't fit you, you naturally experience discordance in your energy field, preventing you from taking in the statements. For example, back when I was trying to manifest wealth, I remember listening to the recording about wealth, which contained statements such as, "I'm highly productive, I'm working hard, and I'm courageously dealing with all the paperwork for my business," which was repulsive to me. I find such statements too specific and not applicable to all. It's possible to have your own business and delegate all the paperwork to the accountants or lawyers, and it's possible to have a successful business without working hard. That's the kind of business I have, and my vibration transmitted every night for 30 days through my voice will help you achieve much greater financial ease too without working harder. That's the reason I got a strong knowing to formulate the words in such a way that they don't create such disharmony of your energy field. This is done by non-triggering wealth statements, which keep you open and allowing for them to lodge themselves in your subconscious mind and replace the old statements that no longer serve you. If you listen to this recording for 30 days at night, your attraction point must shift. I got this knowing when I received the download to create this recording. Day by day, you will start noticing changes in your reality that were never present before, and change by change, your reality will significantly transform to a much more abundant one. The recording will have a miracle frequency background, 528 Hz, which is also called love frequency, a wish-fulfilling frequency capable of transforming your vibration to the original vibration of love. Since your higher self is love, by having this frequency play in the background at night, you are returning to your pure self energy, the self that is naturally abundant and lucky. This recording is going to be free for my inner circle members, and this is the best time to get your membership if you haven't already. As soon after this new addition to the membership, the cost of the inner circle is going to increase. So in case you're not a member yet, join the inner circle now. For those not wishing to become members, I'm going to make this recording available for purchase for a few days. So if for some reason you want the recording only without the membership, there will be a chance to buy it before this abundance attracting program is made exclusively available for my inner circle. And if you're not a member and don't plan to become one, you can pre-order this abundance program now. Check out the link provided for the instructions of how to pre-order the Abundance Attractor program.